Yeah, then we have a number balance where you can balance the number. For example, this is 7. হেল্ল' গাইজ, কি খবৰ আপোনালোকৰ? আশা কৰোঁ সকলোৰে ভাল আৰু মোৰো একদম মজা। তো মজা মানে কি, ইমানো মজা নহয় কাৰণ আমাৰ ইয়াত নেটৱৰ্ক নাই পোৱা, আপোনালোকে গম পাইছে, মই আগৰ ভিডিঅ'টো দিছোঁৱে। তো কোনো নেটৱৰ্ক নাই, ঘৰৰ লগত একো কানেকশ্যন, কথা পাতিব পৰা নাই, একো কানেকশ্যনেই হোৱা নাই। মেছেজটো দি থ'লে বহুত 10 মিনিটৰ মূৰত এটা মেছেজ যায় আৰু 10 মিনিটৰ মূৰত মানে ৰিপ্লাইটো আহে। তো তেনেকৈ চলি আছে যেন তেন। তো 2-3 দিনৰ পিছত আমাক মেচুকা যোনটো টাউন আছে, টাউনত নেটৱৰ্ক পায় বোলে। তো তালৈ নিম বুলি কৈছে। তো তাত 2-3 দিনৰ পিছতহে আমি গৈ পেলাই মানে কানেকশ্যন কৰিব পাৰিম ঘৰৰ লগত। তো আমাৰ আজিৰ পৰা ট্ৰেইনিংটো ষ্টাৰ্ট হ'ব 9:30 পৰা। আমাক ট্ৰেইনিং দিবলৈ মহাৰাষ্ট্ৰৰ পৰা আহিছে, এনেকৈ দূৰৰ ঠাইৰ পৰা আহিছে। তো মহাৰাষ্ট্ৰৰ পৰা, পুনেৰ পৰা আহিছে সানিয়া মেম। তো সানিয়া মেমে আপোনালোকক সকলোবোৰ কথা এক্সপ্লেইন কৰি দিব। তেওঁ যিহেতু ইয়াৰ নহয়, তো অসমীয়া নাজানে, হিন্দীও ইমান স্পষ্টকৈ নাজানে, তো তেওঁ ইংলিছতে চব এক্সপ্লেইন কৰিব। আপোনালোকে কোনো বেয়া নাপাব, বুজি নাপালেও চাই থাকিব আৰু ভিডিঅ'টো। কুট মোমাই কাৰণে যা।
Don't rush, Ria. It's slowly.
তো গাইজ, কুঁৱলী চাওক কিমান কুঁৱলী পৰি আছে। 9টা বাজিব হ'ল, হ'লেও কুঁৱলী। আৰু এইফালে চবেই নেটৱৰ্কৰ লগত কথা পাতিবলৈ বিজি। মোৰতো নেটৱৰ্ক নাই, হ'লেও আৰু এনেই এইফালে ৰৈ আছোঁ। মেছেজটো কেতিয়াবা যায়, কেতিয়াবা নাযায়, এনেকুৱা হৈ আছে মানে। কি কৰিম আৰু। এয়াৰটেলৰ নেটৱৰ্ক পাব বুলি কৈছিলে, কিন্তু এয়াৰটেলৰ নেটৱৰ্ক ক'তোৱেই নাপায়। ৰাতিপুৱা 5টা বজাত পাইছিলে, সেনেকৈ আপডেট দিলোঁ হোৱাটছএপৰ গ্ৰুপত। তো তেনেকৈ চলি আছোঁ আৰু এতিয়া একদম মানে টাইম পাছ কৰিবলৈ একো নাই। এতিয়া ক্লাছ হ'ব বাৰু 9:30 পৰা। তো চাই থাকক। Okay, welcome to the Teacher Training Academy. This academy has 4 sections. This section is the literacy section where children books are displayed. यहाँ पे अलग-अलग publication के books है, ranging from socio-emotional learning related books from Socho series. Then we have regional books, missing tribe related books है. Then we have fictional books. Then we have Hindi books from Eklavya publication. So yeah, this is our kids book section. These are also big books. These big books actually help kids to identify pictures and relate to the picture stories there. Because of the big pictures, it actually helps the kids to read the picture stories beautifully. These are by Eklavya publications, and these are like a must-have for any library. So yeah, let's move to the other section. This section is for teachers mainly. So in this, you will have books from Tata Trust and different research materials about how can you use children literature. Basically, this section has a lot of research related books ranging from how to teach art, how to inculcate inquiry based learning. There are a lot of books of how to improve like government schools as well, and these are pretty well researched book for teachers to refer. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि जे कृष्णमूर्ति से लेके अलग अलग एजुकेशनलिस्ट एंड फिलोसोफर्स के बुक्स है अबाउट एजुकेशन. This section has all the books related to art, music. So this entire Teacher Training Academy has a theme of multiple intelligence theory. This entire Teacher Training Academy has a theme of multiple intelligence theory, where Howard Gardner's famous theory, where there are 8 intelligences, and this section is also divided into different parts. Naturalistic intelligence के बारे में, if you want to know more, basically in the natural state, the state has blessed with like a beautiful biodiversity where it's rich in endemic flora and fauna. So this map actually represents and showcases the diversity of the region. And we have a lot of books related to activity books from Nisargashala. Then we have books from Nature Conservation Foundation. These are the activity books which we can use it for kids, and these books will help them to know more about the endemic species like hornbills, red pandas, clouded leopard, snow leopard around them. And yeah, this is the nature corner. Basically, we want teachers to take the kids out in nature and conduct different activities to inculcate the naturalistic intelligence. Let's move to the other section. This section is math section. We have lots of TLMs. TLMs are basically the teaching learning materials. These TLMs we have got it from Navnirmiti Learning Foundation. Basically, this is a Jodo block kit. Okay, so kids can learn about number sense using these blocks. They can also learn multiplication using these blocks. So these are set of 3. So added, if you add these 3 blocks, then it becomes 9, and this also helps in repeated addition, that means multiplication. So you can use these blocks to show multiplication. Then we have number line. This number line you can actually display it in any classroom, and this number line basically helps to count and develop the foundational numeracy skills for any kid. Then we have a currency kit where kids will learn about math using the different currencies. So these are different fake notes that we have created. This basically is created by Navnirmiti Learning Foundation, and there are coins. So with the help of these coins and the notes and currency kit, we can basically learn about how to math is everywhere. So basically we want to develop the confidence in kids that everybody can learn math. And yeah, basically you can use the pebbles and ice cream sticks to teach math, because learning in math happens always from concrete, then pictorial to abstract. So we have all these teaching learning materials. We have this basically Jodo blocks. This basically structure, this activity helps kids to understand more about shapes and angles. This is also one of the activities where they use their motor skills to make different shapes using the geoboard. Basically there are a lot of sensory, like the movements, students need to use the hands to create these different shapes, and this is called a geoboard where you can learn about angles and sides and vertices. Yeah, then we have a number balance where you can balance the number. For example, this is 7, and if I put it at 3, it becomes 10. And if I want to balance this, then I have to put a number, a combination of number which will be equivalent to 10. So here now it's balanced. Now this is balanced because here is 10, here also it's 10. So yeah, so it's a number balance. Then this section of books is entirely dedicated only for math. So this is actually a favorite. ये बहुत ही एक दिलचस्प कविता है गुलजार जी की. एक शरीर में कितने दो है, गिनकर देखो जितने दो है, देखने वाली आंखें दो है, उनके ऊपर भव्य दो है, सूंघते हैं खुशबू को जिसके, नाक एक है नथुने दो है, एक शरीर में कितने दो है. एक बहुत अच्छी कविता है. तो आई थिंक दिस एंटायर सेक्शन टॉक्स अबाउट इंटीग्रेशन. Math can't be taught in separately only because math is actually abstract concept, but it can be integrated through language, it can be integrated through poems and activity based learning. So yeah, this entire section talks about mathematical intelligence.
Thank you, ma'am, for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.